Hello, your name? Pardon? Are you on the lease?
No. She appeared online last time.
She appeared online last time. Are you in the unit or you're in the unit? Do you know where Ellen Patterson is? Got it. That's right. I remember. So your mom passed away. You're in the unit. Okay.
Your Honor, I'm not sure if she said this or not, just because obviously with your system being down, it's a little hard for me to hear.
Yes, I'm sorry.
But my understanding is that there's no authorized occupants on this lease agreement. And so if this is Marie, which I am pretty sure she's the last one that appeared at the last.
In this courtroom, a daughter stands alone. After losing her mother, she now faces losing her home. The law says she's unauthorized, but her story says she belongs.
You're going to have to make sure you speak up because our system.
The situation that happened with my mom. She had me fill out a paper number. I think it was her supervisor for to be like put on the lease as an occupant. Me and my 3 kids, because we've been there for a year. So then when I went back a week later, she's like, well, I need permission from my attorney to add you to, the lease to be able to put you on there, which I thought it went through when I filled out the paper, but I guess it didn't. So ever since then, the last thing I heard from her was if I have a court date, just go. And I asked her, like, well, I know my mom lease is up October 31st. Can I get till the end of November? Because I just started working on it.
Explains how she cared for her dying mother, how she stopped working, and now just wants time to the end of November to get back on her feet.
I just need that much time if I can get it till the end of November.
Okay, so you're looking to get to the end of November to where you.
And I explained that to them at the office, and she never said, "Oh, well, you're not authorized to be there," because I've been there a few times since this happened. So.
Got it. Yeah. What's plaintiff's position on that?
Your Honor, I heard a little bit of that.
Okay, I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. I will say I show that it looks like we have a death certificate for Miss Patterson. It looks like Marie had applied to be an occupant. However, with the leaseholder being deceased, Miss Marie, I don't know your last name, but you would then need to apply for your own lease and be approved to reside.
The landlord side argues that no one is authorized on the lease anymore. To them, it's a simple contract. But to Marie, it's her family's last memory.
At this time to go out to the end of November, Your Honor. What I show is due and owing and rent is $3,140.96. Court costs of $186 for a total of $3,326.96 currently due.
All right. One other thing that she had indicated was when she went into the office, but maybe you clarified it, is that she went into the office, filled out the paperwork, thought she was good, and then found out she wasn't good, which kind of slowed some processes down because then they said they needed to talk with the attorney. And now she's found out she's not good, and now she's just looking to get herself and her kids situated.
The judge listens carefully, piecing together confusion. A dead leaseholder, unpaid rent, and an aunt who was supposed to pay from life insurance funds.
Gary, which is my aunt, she's supposed to be taking care of her.
Yeah. Okay.
And she knows that me and my kids are there.
So was there a will and an estate?
And so she worked there 30 years. She did have a life insurance policy. My aunt was put on a beneficiary. Me, my brother, and my sister are contingents on that. My aunt has engaged me nothing from that, and she has now also paid my rent or her bill.
So really what you're trying to tell me is from the proceeds of that life insurance, this should be paid.
Yeah.
Oh, Oh, okay.
And the DTE.
When the judge hears that the life insurance money was never used to cover rent, the tone shifts. Marie is caught in between grief and legal obligations.
But it's still under her account. So there's a previous bills due from, I guess the month of September, because they said that's why they paid off. My aunt is supposed to be taking care of.
She's supposed to be doing that, and you're kind of just caught here. Okay, I got you. I hear you. Did you hear all of that, Miss Fontanella?
I heard that there was a life insurance proceed, it sounds like, and that was supposed to be taking care of the past due balance, but for some reason or another, it's not happening.
It's not happening, and she also explained that she came home, the DTE was off, so she spent what resources she had to get the DTE turned on. It's in her name, but still under the account. There's still the back balance on that.
Despite the hardship, Marie is trying. She's back at work, supporting her kids, and just asking for one more month of mercy.
Okay. You're just not sure what you're going to do.
Your Honor, I do show that this is a rental of everything. I just want to make the record clear on that. She rents the home and the site.
Got it. Okay. And you're working now. Okay. All right.
Your Honor, what I would propose is that we adjourn this 1 week. If I could get her contact information, I can talk to my client about potentially negotiating a vacate date of November 30th.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to adjourn this to October 31st, 2025 at 1 p.m. Okay. What I'll need you to do is they're going to...
In the end, the judge adjourns the case, giving 1 week for both sides to negotiate. A small pause in a battle between law and compassion.